What is this? 2022 iPhone 14 Pro predicted to have a hole punch display. Get out of here.
Yeah. Get rid of the notch.
You get yourself right out of here.
Who's going to produce the show?
New report claims that Apple will be replacing the iPhone notch with a hole punch design in 2022. I mean, other people have said no chance. This is Ming Chi talking, no. The move to a hole punch display instead of the current notch has previously been predicted by Ming Chi Kuo. More recently, claimed renders of the 2022 iPhone 14 range leaked just ahead of the iPhone 13 launch. I don't know. I guess it's possible. I mean, anything is possible, but they've been so resistant to such things, and they have so much face unlock tech going on that I guess they would have to find some substitute for. I mean, listen, man. They want to sell phones, and every so often you got to mix things up or give people reasons to buy new ones. So things kind of have to change. It's a question of pace and commitment. And so far, it appears that Apple's been very committed to this current system of face unlock. Now, maybe with this new design, what does it say here? Present, the notch contains the Face ID system and the selfie camera separately. Ming Chi Kuo predicted Apple will be able to place the Face ID system underneath the display. So there you go. But he says 2023. So yeah, if you can maintain the Face ID the way you want it underneath the display, and then maybe only have the camera visible in the display, then so be it. Go for it.
Yeah.
Why not?